Welcome back to junkvws. Today's video will be a bit different than the others because this one is sponsored by Maxpeedingrods. They reached out to me and offered to send some stuff over for me to take a look at. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. You have probably seen Maxpeedingrods before if you are like me and sort parts by the lowest price. I think they offer the cheapest Mk1 coilovers at the moment, but they have a lot of other parts on their page too. I was briefly considering getting a new turbo from them, but my 1.9 turbo diesel runs a K14 turbo that has different flanges and I don't want to change them. Might still get those coilovers depending on how this goes, but let's take a look what I got instead. They also gave me a discount code. You can use junkvws for 17% off your purchase. Links to my parts and their website are in the description below. So, what did we get? This is a brake bleeding kit. I'm planning to flush my brake system in the spring, so this will come in handy. It's a one-man system, you don't have to pump the brake pedal to bleed the brakes. You fill this up with the fresh brake fluid, pump it up and it pushes fresh fluid through the system. Instructions, I'll take a look at those later. Maxpeedingrods brochure. So this connects up to the brake caliper bleeding nipple together with this one. That's for the old brake fluid. This screws on top of the brake master cylinder. Connects up with this. This is the key for this cap. And this chain, you use this to suspend this bottle from the car. Yeah. So what's in the other box? Well, this one's heavy. Another brochure and some information about Maxpeedingrods, their products. It's a toolbox, and these tools are for my new impact gun. So this is what I got. A deep socket set for my impact gun and the brake bleeding kit. Full disclosure, my cap had some excess material on it. I had to file it down so it locks like it should. Then went out to the garage to test some things out. As far as I can tell, they work just fine. I was a bit worried about this cap fitting on my
brake reservoir, but it seals like it should. So these are the tools I got from Maxpeedingrods, but there are another 2 boxes that came, and these ones have parts from them. I will be installing those once the weather gets a bit warmer.